At Computacenter, we pride ourselves on meeting our customers' needs by delivering the highest quality data center solutions. Our experienced engineers work tirelessly to design and deploy integrated products from individual devices to fully configured integrated racks. We've recently developed an innovative new tool to provide the highest level of experience for our customers. Our Hyperscale configuration and automation platform, known as HCAP. This industry-leading cloud-based software is transforming how we deliver pre-validated solutions to our customers. HCAP enables our customers to design and formally manage standards for even the most complex racks. It features a collaborative platform with complete rack standards, a detailed bill of material, power and cable matrix, configuration automation, end-to-end quality validation steps, and an integrated change management and approval process to ensure governance and alignment with customers' ever-changing technology needs. Our customers count on Computacenter to provide transparency throughout the rack building process. HCAP takes that one step further and provides full visibility via a real-time dashboard to track each build step as racks are being fabricated and tested. HCAP provides an automated configuration and quality assurance tool that checks every device, cable connection, configuration parameter, and gathers asset details. This ensures a zero-defect rack built to our customer specifications is produced and delivered from our integration centers. More visibility means more accuracy. Ready to see how Computacenter's Hyperscale configuration and automation platform is helping us deliver even better data solutions to our customers? Contact us today to learn more or schedule a demo.